So today is gonna be kind of a risky video. So I'm gonna pull a prank on my wife this morning and tell her that I got her some different wheels for her truck, some 26s. And we're gonna end up taking the Trailblazer SS wheels off of hers, slapping these 26s if it clears. More than likely, I'm thinking it's not gonna clear up in here because this thing is pretty low. It is on some 22s right now. It's on some 305 40 22s, and then the dubs that I got are 305 30 22 or 26, sorry. So I'm wondering if these will even fit on there without rubbing anything, which more than likely it is going to rub something. So we're going to set the front ones on there first and then see how much clearance we have, and then I'm going to move to the back and set those on. And then I'm gonna call her out and see what she thinks whenever I put them on. Hopefully, like I said, this is kind of a risky video because if she ends up liking those, then we're screwed, because then we're back to no wheels on the build. Which, then again, I could use the 22s on hers, but knowing her, hopefully, she's gonna say, nah, they're too big, take them off. And then we'll slap them on this, and then we'll get back to working on this build again. So I'm gonna go out there and set the camera up and then put it on time lapse to get these wheels on, and we'll see if we can even get them all and clear everything. So I'm gonna set you guys around right here and we'll do this side first, or the front at least. So taking a look at them side by side, you can see the dubs are much more bigger. It's only slightly, and being as I had 26s on my truck before I did any of this stuff, the 24s I had before did rub on my firewall. So I'm thinking we're gonna have some issues on this one too, but we're still gonna go forward with it, and we might not even just drive it around, just for the fact that it might not even clear anything. So we're gonna slap it on this side, maybe just the front, and I'll see if we can even get them on without damaging anything. So we'll get back to this. All right, well, I got the front ones put on. Now I'm gonna slowly drop it down and see if we even have some clearance. Here we go. That is actually what I wasn't expecting. They actually pretty good. I think the only issue we're gonna have is pretty much like the other ones. It's probably gonna rub back there a lot. Yeah, but now we're gonna go slap on the ones in the back and see how those fit. Yeah, I don't know about the back. The back might be a little bit more of an issue, but here we go. I'll just set the camera on this side, we'll do this side, and then we'll give her the reveal. All right, so it looks like I forgot to put record on that time lapse for the rear, but nothing too dramatic. We just put the rear wheels on. The only issue that I did see is that the tire is rubbing right on the front liner up here on the front. Now this is pretty much how it's gonna sit collapsed because I'm lifting it up from the solid axle. If we pull this out, yeah, we got very little clearance. Mostly it's on the inside. And then about the loudest thing on the world. I really need to move this back so I can settle the front suspension, so I'm gonna go get the keys real quick. Alright, so I don't know if you could hear that on camera, but yeah, the back is rubbing, and it's pretty much on that liner back there. It's like rubbing the tread of the tires, catching the liner back there. So yeah, these are not going to work on the rear end of this. And yeah, now I think it's time to go get her and see what she thinks about it. And with any luck, she's going to be like, oh hell no. But if we can make some clearance, I think it looks pretty dope. Later on, we might have to upgrade her to some 26s or 24s. So she's in the back, and we're gonna try to get her reaction. I'm gonna set the camera down on this side, and I'm gonna go get her.
Mi chancla. Clean. What?
Surprise!
Oh. Yay! What? Where's the other one?
Don't worry about it.
And you got black. Wow. No me lo esperaba.
So,
wow.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Thank you, boo-boo. Wow.
You want to go take it for a test drive?
Vamos.
Hold on. Just wait out here. Just wait out here. I'll show you. Yeah, so these were supposed to be for you, but it's rubbing on the inside over there.
Oh man.
It's the same width. It's just a bigger tire because see, yours were 22s, so they were about right here, and it had a bigger tire. But these are 26s. The wheel is a little bit bigger, even though the tire is smaller. It's still taller, so that's where the issue is. So we'll have to cut up your car.
No.
You don't want to cut it? Look, I have experience. I don't get it done, but I have experience.
Yeah.
So yeah. So you like them, but unfortunately they don't fit.
Oh.
And these were supposed to be for your Valentine's Day present.
Oh.
But it backfired.
Mm-hmm.
So you can keep them, but I'll have to cut the car.
Both of them?
Yeah, both sides. It's just the back. Well, actually, you know what? I don't know. I might have to do the front because with your 22s, you see right in here where it was touching already?
Yeah.
That's with the 22s. So it's probably going to touch back there, and it's going to touch up here. Because you can see up there where the 22s were rubbing.
Yeah. Is there another way?
No. Yeah, there's one way. Cut it.
Cut it.
You need to cut it.
Oh man.
You sure you want me to cut it? Because you know if I start cutting it, it's going to end up like this.
I know.
I'm like, oh, you can go lower. Starting to cut it, it's going to end up going lower. Going lower is going to end up tumbling the fenders, tubbing the back. And then you're eventually going to have air ride. And this is your only daily driver.
I don't know. I like them.
Yeah. So that was the unfortunate event is I figured it was going to rub. But she did like them. But unfortunately, no bueno. It'll fit. Are you sure you don't want me to cut it?
I don't know yet.
Yeah, that was the only issue. If anything, later on we can get some 24s, maybe something smaller in the same style. Because right now you're going to be almost looking like a donk. Okay, so yeah, that was the unfortunate event. I guess we're not going to be able to use them like I wanted to. Yeah, so I guess for now we'll just put them back on this. And then we'll put your original ones back on. Yep. With brand new tires. Okay, so I'm gonna end up taking these back off and putting her old wheels back on, but we'll figure out something. We'll probably get you something different later on in the future when we get back from vacation. So for now, I guess we're gonna slap them on this. So that's gonna be it for today's short video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.